Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be reviewing Trevor, which is an extendable dining table with ceramic tops. Let's dive in. It is an extendable dining table, but we also have a fixed version. The fixed version is available only in this barrel-shaped tabletop. Okay, you see it here. And the fixed version is available with the 2 meters and 2 meters 40. To give you an idea, this is the 2 meters. Then we have rectangular versions. Basically, the overall shape is the same, but of course with the rectangular versions, you don't have these rounded edges and this rounded side, just like in the barrel shaped. So the rectangulars go from 140 to 2 meters every 20 centimeters. So you have 140, 160, 180, and 2 meters. And then you have the extendable barrel-shaped versions. This is the one. And we have the 180 and the 2 meters. Widths do change based on the length of the tabletop so that you have perfect proportions. And the overall dimension of the extending leaves, more about it later, does depend on the length of the tabletops. So for example, you could have the extension leaves like 40 centimeters, 45 or 50 centimeters, one for each side. And so to give you an idea, this starts at 2 meters and becomes 3 meters when you open both leaves. Let's open up the mechanism. It's very easy. First you pull out and then you pull up. Then I go on the other side. I do the same. I pull out and then pull up. Okay. I'd like to point out that extension leaves, of course, they are curved just like the main top. Of course, you have rounded corners on both sides. So you have this peculiar shape here on the edges, and you don't have square corners anywhere. So when it's closed or when it's open, no guest has to deal with square corners. Let's close it. The closing approach is very easy. You simply pull a panel that you have here. I simply pull like this, and then I push in. And then there is a magnet at the end so that it stays fixed. I pull like this, and it goes down. So let's talk about the ceramics. We have glossy ceramics, we have 14 of them, and this is called Gold Beauty. I do like it. Do you like it as well? Write it in the comments if you like this sort of ceramic design. And I'd like to point out how glossy ceramics are 14 millimeters, while matte ceramics, there are 7 of them, they are 11 millimeters. So we have different thickness depending on the fact that it's glossy or matte ceramic. And as always with this sort of use of the ceramic material, ceramic is always paired up with glass underneath. So the noble material in this case is ceramic, both in terms of resistance and both in terms of looks. And you do perceive a few millimeters of the supporting material, which is glass. The base of the Trevor table is a peculiar piece. I do like it because it is asymmetrical, and so depending on where you look at it, you have a different perception. For example, when I look at it from this side, I will perceive the wider part of the support that intersects the thinner part. Of course, when I move on this other side, I do perceive more the thinner part which intersects the wider part. When you place such a table with an asymmetrical base in your room, you could consider, of course when you purchase it, but you just need to think about it before you assemble it, you can consider whether, let's assume that here you have the entrance of your room, or here you have the door to your kitchen. You might think whether you want to perceive it more from this side or from the other side, because of course you just need to turn it around. I do not suggest attempts, because such a table, when it is assembled, it's not easy to move around. But when you are in the process of assembling it, before assembling it, you can ask yourself from what perspective you like it more. In terms of finishes, we have 6 different finishes, painted metal and brushed finishes. The brush finishes are bronze and titanium. Then there are painted colors like black, dark gray, and whatnot. This is the color champagne with the gold beauty ceramic, is indeed very refined. When we were commenting the base, we could also see the supporting structure, which supports not only the tabletop but also the extension leaves, and this support does match the finish that you choose for the structure. You know, when you are in your room and you are standing, it's very difficult that you perceive these bars, okay? Now I'll just do it as an experiment here in the showroom. I need to move away by a couple of meters in order to perceive the color of these bars. It might be more perceivable when you sit, for example, on a sofa. It's easier, of course, to perceive it. It's a detail to consider because there are certain tables, we have some also in our catalog, in our collection, where the customization of these bars, supporting bars, is sometimes it has a cost, or sometimes it is not available, and maybe they are done with a standard finish, which does not match the finish of the base. So it's a detail, whether you consider the Trevor table or you consider any other table online or in a shop, it's a detail to consider whether the supporting bars do match or not the base for a perfect look. I will sit at the table to assess its ergonomics. And well, you know, I'm 195. And of course, if I were sitting at the edge of the table, or even on this side, it would be slightly different. Here in the spot that I chose randomly, for example, my right leg is more comfortable than the left leg, which is at least I cannot extend it frontally. But in general, I can say that if I consider that it's a decorative base, it's a decorative support with design value, I think it's rather comfortable in general. And of course, right now, I'm kind of pushed under the table, while normally it would be this sort of sitting position. So I do suggest it in terms of ergonomics as well. So we've come to the end of today's product review about the Trevor extending dining table with ceramics tabletops. I hope that you like it, and see you next time.